Okay, good day, Bu Dewi. Good day, everyone, and good day to Kak Azani. So my name is Benedictus Hanzen Kurniawan with the name of 20. I think no need for the name. And in the YouTube comment section, you can see the name. Sorry. So today I'm going to present for the ACL Chapter 9 Revenue Cycle. So first of all, let's open the project. Click the sample project. And voila, you open the file. So for the first one, we're going to see the profile fields amount. So for the profile fields, you go to analyze and then go to statistical. Make sure to go to statistical and click profile and make sure to tick the amount button and click OK. And you will see here, same as in the book, the total value is 468,000, the same. The absolute value is 585,000, the same. The minimum minus 3,582, the same. And also the maximum is 5,549 and the same. So for the second, we are going to search for the total amounts in the table of the account receivable. So go back to the account receivable table, go back to analyze, total fields, click the amount button, and you go to the amount, see the same. The amount is 468,000, the same it is. So next thing is the count. So go back to the account receivable table, go to statistical, go to count records and click OK. And you will see here at the bottom 772 records. So now continuing on. Okay, wait a moment. First, let's see the stratification of sales invoice files. So basically the table is AR and the comment is stratify on with the minimum of minus 1,000. So go to the AR table, make sure the AR table, and click analyze, stratify. Here the minimum is 3,582. Change it to 1,000. Click the amount button. Make sure the output is already in screen. Make sure minus 1,000. Click OK, and it will be the same. Like for example, in the trans amount below 1,000 column, there are 20 count. The same with the book, 20 count. The percent of count is 2.59%. The same in the book. The percent of field in the book is minus 6.81%. The same as in the ACL. And finally, the trans amount is minus 31,928. Let's make sure to be the same as in the book. Okay, moving on. We are searching for the duplicates and gaps. So go back to the AR to make sure the table is AR. So let's go back to the AR table. So here, comments gap on ref duplicates the screen resort. So first of all, we are looking for the gaps. So for the gaps, click the list of gap range. Click the ref button. Click OK. See it will be shown about the gaps found between in the AR tables. So for the second part, we are going to look for another gaps, look for missing items, and click the ref. So for the gap founds, here are the gaps found for ref number. It is gap start 10,001 until the gap end 12,283. It will be the same with the ACL. Now, secondly, let's go back to the AR table and let's go for duplicates. Now, make sure the duplicates for the ref. So make sure to pick the ref, and here also pick the ref. Make sure the output is green. Okay, click OK. So ref number. Let's see in the book, the record number 5 will be having a ref number of 134 and 52x. In our ACL, it is the same with 5, record number of 5, and the ref number of 13452x. So let's find another ACL. join table. Now, here will be mentioned about ACL accomplished this with its join feature. So here we're going to the join table, and actually you are going to go to the inventory review and go to the inventory table, not the AR table. So here what you want to do is search for the join table, not in the analyze, but in the data. So here, join table, make sure the secondary table is already in trans. Okay. So primary key will be, wait a moment. Primary key will be the product number. Secondary key, also the product number. So for the next, moving forward, for the primary fields, it will be in the subsequential for the row, it will be the subsequential. So first, go to product description, take it. Second, for the product number, again, take it. Again, next is the unit cost, take it. And last but not least, the sales and price, take it. Okay, so this, moving on to the secondary fields. For the secondary fields, the first one is amount, take it. Second is invoice, take it. Third is product number, take it. And last but not least, the quantity, take it. So here it's join underscore. Make sure to enter the name. Wait, there's something wrong. Okay, sorry for the mistake. I forgot to click the resort. So here you go to the join tables. Make sure it's trans for the secondary table. The primary key will be the product number. Okay, secondary key as well as the product number as well. For the primary fields, as you can see, like before, it's the product description. Second is the product number and unit cost, and last but not least, the sales price. For the secondary fields, first of all is the amount, second is the invoice, third is the product number, and fourth is the quantity. Please make sure to tick the pre-sort secondary table, not like I had before. So here, let's join underscore table. Click OK. Override, click yes. Now, voila. It will be the correct, not the real, but the correct answer for the join tables. Now moving on. For the last part is the aging. So for the aging, you must make sure, so you must go to the table account receivable. So here the aging of account receivable produced with ACL. So go to the AR, go to the AR table, and go to analyze and click H. Now here, make sure the date is in the 31st December of 2003. So go to year 2003, go to June, go to December 31st, and then go to, you click the month and click H on. Is the date. Make sure it's like this. And then click OK. So the intervals, will be shown. And I think I forgot one thing, which is the sampling. I think I forgot the sampling. Yeah, like a sample of country. Yeah, let's do the sampling. Sampling, sample records. So for the samples, you click the size, and here the confidence, you type in 95, and then for the population is 772, and for the materiality is 5. So you then click calculate, click OK, and then here You must rename it to sampling. Click OK, and voila, here for the sampling. So that's it for today's ACL session. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it can help you to understand. And thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.